Looks good.
They just showed up. What? I've been waiting for this a whole week. Hell yes. We're gonna open these up for you guys right now. I can't wait to open these up. I've been waiting a whole week, and I found out just 2 days ago that if I were to have ordered them on Amazon, though, make sure you guys always check Amazon. If I ordered on Amazon, I would have paid $30 less, and it still would have been free shipping, as well as I would have got them in 2 to 3 days max, instead of waiting a whole week, which is crazy. So now at least I have them, which is the last day. My uncle only has 1 day that he can install them because he's going to be getting back surgery. So my uncle's going to be helping me put these on to the charger. I wanted to paint my calipers blue, but I don't know if we're going to have enough time, because that requires days, and he doesn't have that time. Neither do I, because I have work. So let's get these inside right now. It's 100 pounds worth of brakes, so I'll take those inside right now.
A few moments later.
Here we have the Power Stop brakes that I ordered. They are finally here. I'm really happy about this. I went with some drilled and slotted rotors and some carbon ceramic brake pads. So we're going to go ahead and open those up right now. Okay. We have the Z26 Extreme Performance brake pads, carbon ceramics. Underneath that, we have another box with 2 rotors. Those are mean looking. You can see the drilled and slotted out here. Those look really, really heavy duty. It's gonna help a lot of the cooling. They're gonna look great on the charger. I can't wait to have them on there, honestly. These are the front rotors. Over here, they must have the rears. Okay. Ooh. Alright. Ooh, it's like a clown. Alright, same size box inside of a bigger box. I don't know why. More of this. And then we have more brake pads. And here, I'll just open up that box to show you. 2 rear pads for each one. I think I'm just going to be painting my calipers for another video. Obviously, these are going to be the rear rotors. Look at that. That is gonna be making some stopping power right there. Those look absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to put these on the charger. They're gonna look so good on there and perform way better. I've been waiting to have new brakes put on for months. I mean, I haven't put new brakes on since I got the car over a year ago, which is not good.
Several days later.
I'm heading down to Temecula right now at this moment. Crazy something happened.
So we forgot the brakes and rotors. I guess I did, but no one told me to bring them. So hopefully Nicole is on her way in their speedy little hybrid Prius, and she's gonna deliver the parts.
So my dad forgot the actual brakes and rotors at the house. So I had to send Nicole over to my house to go grab those and take them over to my uncle so we can get those put on. But anyways, they told me they took some video, so I will show you guys what they're up to at this moment.
Meanwhile.
Well, here we go. Ride Joe's brakes. Uncle Mike figuring out where we can put it on the frame. Jack it up.
There's Dad doing his part, pulling the old tire off. Roll that thing in the garage. Let's take a look at these.
There you go. Just get a little video of what the old ones look like.
Yeah,
That's good.
not pretty. So a lot there.
Yeah.
They're not even. He's not even in the groove, bro.
Yeah.
But look at that. That is bad. There's no cleaning the bottom. His pistons are probably not pushing properly or something.
Uh-huh.
But we need to figure out, and I'm gonna clean these things up because that pistons need to free really good.
Mm-hmm.
So if they're shaking that bad, the rotors are probably warped, yes.
Mm-hmm.
But not that bad. There's still a lot left.
Yeah.
All those look good. All the pistons look good. Everything looks good on this.
So we figure we're going to go ahead and do the other side. And by hopefully the time that's off, she'll be here with the parts.
Full pads again.
Full pads again. Yeah, full pads on both sides. This rotor seems to be a little wavy. So the rotor's partially on. Calipers and the pads slipped in nicely. Looks good.
Take a video from that side.
Coming along nice. Lugs. Yeah, but I'm all about the back. That's my priority.
Trust me, that's easier on your back because you look at.
I'm lifting with my feet, son.
No. The thing sits right here. And here's
But
what
like I'm
do.
back here, I can see it.
Listen to me for a minute. Watch. My legs, I go like this, the tire goes right where I need it.
I got you.
Weep.
My ass is already on the seat. It's where I like my ass, on the seat.
I don't like
I like my bony ass on
I
the
don't like my
concrete.
ass on that concrete.
We don't have to drive this one.
Yeah, we don't want that.
That's a fire ant.
I don't need to
You
sit
think your
down.
ass on fire?
Sit down, I don't need to sit down.
I don't even want
I'm all right.
to. You're on the edge of
I just
the
got
As
off
long as I
work.
got a- as long as I got a tree to hang on to.
I drove down here
You're
super
right
fast.
on the edge of the concrete. So
Yeah.
just be aware. I don't
Now I'm getting these brakes done.
Fall,
keep
fall.
tumble over to the right.
I don't.
It's crazy
Recycle.
what they used to look like.
What are you
All
gonna do
rusted
with the
in.
old rotors?
I could probably recycle them
Yeah.
and get money for them.
Recycle, yeah.
Yeah, I can get $25 a piece.
Yes.
And compared to those ones, they look so much better. I think so.
Not all completely. It's gonna smug up more.
Nothing good. We don't want
Now
that
crank them
color.
down.
Here we go. Take a look at them. We're gonna get it. We're gonna go get this car washed, but you can see them in there. It looks way better than it did before.
Heads up! I think
Heads up.
He's gonna start.
Clear. Oh, I need my key. Round 2, clear.
Nut job.
No, I'm not.
Put the f***ing lug nuts on with our muscles.
right
They ain't coming off. That's the dumbest thing I ever heard.
First run with the new brakes. Pops already ran it earlier. They stop really fast, and there's no sound. That's really nice. There's no wobble. It's it's such a big difference compared to the stock brakes. What's crazy was there was a whole bunch of actually brake pad left, but they were cracked, and they were cracked because of all the heat. And even my front rotors look really, really bad. Wow. What I'm really upset about is I don't get to drive my own car back home. My dad does, which is not okay. But he did bring him over here, so thanks to my uncle, it's all done.
Why is this one way louder than his?
He just did that in my car. Why did he just undo that? Because he felt the need. That's way faster than his car.
Sounds louder too.
Yeah.
So much louder.
Hey guys, go like and subscribe if you haven't already.
A few moments later.
So I let Nicole drive because now I have new brakes, so I trust her a little more. Feels so weird in the passenger seat. In the driver's seat,
Oh, nice.
you can see so much better in the driver's seat.
They're touchy.
Do you like driving this car?
Yeah. I love it.
I felt so much more confident with these brakes on. It's ridiculous. Like, Now I can make maneuvers that I want to make and drive a fast car as it's meant to be driven. Oh, two hands! You're driving that fast. I feel you going like this. Like, that's not okay.
I'm not going
We will
like that.
flip. Now, we're gonna gun it very nice. Yeah.
No, turn that on. Turn it on. Don't trust me with like that.
You scare me. You scare me a lot. This is my own car and you scare me.
Alright, I don't want to park it.
You know what? I realized I didn't even show my face in this vlog, so you guys are gonna see it right here at the end now. I appreciate you guys sticking till the end if you did. If you didn't, well then you wouldn't be watching this right now, then that means that you suck. So if you guys can right now, please go like this video, please comment down below, and please subscribe for me. It helps out a whole bunch. Shit, what are you doing?
Hi.
Hello. If you guys have any questions about the Power Stop brakes or how I like them or how I feel about them, please comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to know. I will reply back to you guys as fast as possible. Just like that, we are through with another video. I will see you guys next time.
Peace.
Peace.